I said, hey, bartender, hey, man, look here.
Hey guys, my name is Gary. I'm not a bartender, and welcome to Casually Drinking. This episode of Casually Drinking, I'm gonna be taking a look at a Disney cocktail. So I was at Disneyland recently, and I was hanging around Pimp's Kitchen over there in California Avenger, and I noticed a cocktail called the X-Periment that really caught my eye because it had something that I've never seen in cocktails. It had well, first thing, it had boba. That sounds pretty cool. And it also had habanero syrup. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna make today. Give a like and subscribe if you're new, and be sure to comment what drink you guys want to see me make. And with that out of the way, let's get started with the ingredients. So the ingredients you're gonna need is obviously mango boba, habanero syrup, Patron silver tequila. You can use any tequila, but the ingredient list called for Patron. And finally, mango syrup. And with the ingredients out of the way, let's start mixing. And there you have it, folks, the experiment from Pimp's Test Kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun Disney cocktail. If you did, give a like, and if you're new, subscribe. Also, be sure to comment what drink you want me to make, and I'll do my best to recreate it. And I'm sorry guys for not uploading as much, but yeah, I've been busy with work and Elden Ring. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Later.